check this out. Y'all want an easy, cheap, simple DIY for your W205 C63. Vent to atmosphere, baby. So, man, they got kits online that are like 200, 300, 100 bucks, whatever they are. Stupid, ridiculous price, even though you do get the little adapter plates, which are cool. But anyways, dude, $5, Home Depot. 1-inch chair stoppers. These are on the bottom. It's a 4-pack. I took some gold foil, like the heat wrap, and cut a square, 2 squares for the front side, diagonal, slap them, and then took some more heat tape to wrap around it. That way it gives it a little bit more of a press fit seal, and the end cap is for sure sealed to the intake. These rubber caps, they're kind of conical, so they grip this portion too. They're really difficult to pull off. Like, I'm really trying right now, but they're not going anywhere. If you want to, you can always add a C-clamp if you want a little bit of extra precaution. People will complain that debris or whatever might fall into these outlets right here, or inlets. Man, if it's really concerning, I really don't know what's going to kind of fall in there unless you're got your hood open and I don't know, you're playing in some dirt or something. But if you really want to, you can always get a 1-inch rubber hose or whatever, slide it onto here at a 90-degree angle type and throw it down that way, or you can even loop it under the intakes. Man, get creative. Super simple DIY. Hope this helps. I'm new to the platform, so this is the first thing that I did to the car. Got my Miata over there. She's a parts shelf right now. Don't worry about that. But man, we're learning. We're finding stuff. This is I'm going to turn this thing probably into an autocross car, so it'll be fun. But hope this video helps anybody. Free, simple, not free, but cheap, simple DIY. Pull the hoses, plug the caps, let it roll. Here's some turbo noises and some blow-off valve noises. Hope this helps. Y'all have a good day, man. Until next time. Let's see if we can get some sound clips, even just from idle. See what this sounds like. Got the vent to atmosphere, pulled off the hoses to the recirc for the intakes, capped them off. Let's check this out. The car is already warmed up, by the way. Not too shabby.